Welcome to Tech Talks 101. Let's dive in. If you're in IT and not using AI, you're already behind. This isn't hype, it's survival. The IT industry is evolving rapidly. Code bases are becoming more complex, projects are moving at lightning speed, and clients expect faster turnaround times to stay competitive in a fast-paced world. The old way of working? It's no longer enough. That's where AI steps in, not just as a coding assistant, but as your co-developer, code reviewer, QA buddy, and even your cloud architect. Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and AutoGPT aren't nice-to-haves. They're your new superpowers. And here's the truth. AI won't replace developers, but developers using AI will replace those who don't. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. It's that simple. Start small. Try ChatGPT for debugging. Use Copilot inside your IDE. Automate repetitive tasks with AI scripts. Explore open source agents like AutoGPT. You don't need to master it all, you just need to start. No matter your role, dev, tester, analyst, or manager, AI is changing the game. If you want to stay ahead, now's the time to learn. Subscribe to Tech Talks 101 and let's level up together.